Filming.
Okay, that's enough. Please, say the title of our show.
Right. This is the Emomazzing Awkwardness of
Liz. And since our normal co-host is out today, she got sick, we have our new co-host, Leslie.
Hi guys.
Pause, yeah.
Okay. So today, to start our show, please welcome Michaela with a problem that we're going to help her
Round of
solve.
applause.
Hello, I'm Michaela. Okay,
How old are you?
14.
What's your problem today, sweetie?
Okay, this is very serious. Besides having ADHD, wait, what am I doing? Oh yeah. Besides having ADHD, or ADD, whatever it's called, I like this boy. Yeah, except for a second about that.
What's his name?
I don't know. Oh yeah, what's his name? Jacoby. Yes, that's his name. Yeah, that's his name. Wait, what am I talking about? Yeah, Jacoby, yeah. Yeah, he's really cute.
So what does he look like? Describe him.
Short, dark hair.
Is this him?
Yeah. Get a new boyfriend! Let's keep this a safe show. So anyway, I like this boy. Yeah, what was his name? Yeah, Jacoby. And he's going out with this other girl. Yeah.
Hurry up, please.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Sorry.
So he's going out with this other girl.
Is his last name Hughes?
No. Yes.
That's my boyfriend. You're the girl? That's Leslie? That's my boyfriend. That's my boyfriend. My boyfriend.